Question number one. In Islam, marriage is a contract, and it is an obligation upon Muslims to fulfill their conditions that they've agreed upon. Nobody hit you on the hand to sign and agree. So a woman in the marriage contract says, I would not like to leave my hometown of Nairobi. And the husband says, okay. 5 years later, he says, I would like to go to Mombasa. Better business there. She says, I have the contract. He's obliged to fulfill it. The woman, before marrying, says, I would like to put in the marriage contract, because the ma'dhun or the imam says, do you have any conditions? The woman says, yes, I have one condition. I don't want him to marry a second wife. And the man says, of course not. Okay, no problem. Now, you have agreed. Nobody hit you on the hand. You're a man, you commit to your condition. Okay, Sheikh, but now 5 years ago, or 5 years later, I work in a company and the secretary, you know, she's a little bit hanky-panky and I don't know, Sheikh, wallahi, I'm very sorry, I'm very embarrassed to say this, but what can I do? I'm tempted. I don't want to fall into haram. So I want to marry her. But I have a contract. Okay. The condition says that you must fulfill the contract. If you don't, it's a sin on you. Meaning, if you marry the secretary, the marriage is valid. You're sinful for breaking the contract. However, your wife has the right to go to court and say, I want out of this marriage. Oh, Sheikh, I love her. You can't let her go and leave me alone. No, you can. She stipulated this condition. This condition gives her the right to look at you and say, see you. And she goes and runs away legally. Okay, Sheikh, if she wants divorce, she gives me my dowry. I give her 50 cows. No, not you, not even one single lamb. You will not get a thing. How, Sheikh? Because you agreed on the condition. You broke the condition. She gets the right in front of the qadi, the imam, to break the marriage without any financial obligation from her side. And she says to you, hasta la vista.